Hello, I'm going to give you one secret to long-lasting health transformation. I have been in the health and wellness industry for 20 years, and I want to give you a tip. If you want to transform your dietary habits, the one habit that I would recommend is some sort of self-journaling, whether that be pen and paper, whether that be in a journal, whether that be in an app in your phone. And it doesn't need to be this ritualistic, every day, every morsel, every calorie. I'm not even talking macros, but just keeping some sort of self-reflection tool that will keep the behavior in the frontal cortex, will keep it in the executive functioning, will keep it so it stays as an accountable part of your life. When you journal about something you're doing, you're increasing awareness. When you increase awareness, you're more likely to change. It's more at the forefront, and that will affect your beliefs. That will affect your reinforcing factors. That will affect all of the factors in any health behavior model if you're helping yourself with awareness through self-reflection journaling. It can be tedious, it can be annoying, but it is the single most effective behavior that I have seen through true transformation for long term. Hope this helps.